In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and prepare the SSF interlocking armored jacket to prepare for fiber termination. Clearline SSF interlocking armored fiber cables provide superior crush resistance and rugged protection of the SSF micro distribution fiber cables contained inside. Here are the tools you'll need for this project: a Ripley ACS armored cable slitter, fiber optic cutting shears, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of cutting pliers, tape, a ruler, and a marker. Step 1. Determine the needed length of jacket to be removed from the cable. Measure the tubing down the length of the cable. Remove an extra 12 inches or 30 centimeters additional, or whatever is determined for the required installation, and mark with tape. For the next step, it is always a best practice to set the blade height with a sample piece of the cable you are working with. To proceed, tighten the base thumb screw on the ACS2 and place the cable to the V-groove and adjust the blade height by turning the flathead blade screw located on the base of the ACS so it approximates no more than the thickness of the cable jacketing. Avoid setting the blade too high. Next, loosen the blade thumb screw to lower the blade completely. Ensure the blade setting lever is turned opposite the V-groove to radial cut, noting for reference that the blade lever is in line with the direction of the cutting blade. With the blade still lowered, position the cable in the V-groove at the previously made mark on your cable. Lower and push the rotating wheel firmly against the cable. Loosen the gold side screw. Tighten base thumb screw until firm, but not completely tightened. Using force as required, rotate the tool around the cable. After rotating, tighten the base thumb screw and repeat as needed until base thumb screw is fully tightened. Loosen base thumb screw and side gold screw and remove ACS. The cable is now ready to be split open. Take care not to damage the fiber cable located inside. Use cutting pliers to trim the armor and remove sharp edges. Electrical tape can be applied for protection of the sharp edge. If installing a grounding lug or sleeve, perform a longitudinal cut and/or ring cut with the ACS tool as necessary to only remove the PVC layer on the armor for grounding type lug being installed. If installing a fan-out or spider breakout furcation tube kit on a micro distribution cable within your armored cable, refer to the appropriate video to complete your termination. For connector termination or for more information, visit the technical resource page at clearlinefiber.com.